welcome. Welcome to today's live. I'm waiting for you guys on the live. All right. We are live. Hello, Eunice Mombi. Mambo. Kwaje. Kopoa kabisa. Uko poa. Good evening, Pastor Show family. Huyo ni Cell Sound. Benson Samuel, mambo. Mko salama kabisa. You guys are okay? Hi. How is you? Are you still guys on WhatsApp group? The people on the group, you can confirm once you are here. All right? Rose, uko? Tunangoja nani? But nishatuma nini kwa group. I've already nimetuma na message kwa group. Kila mtu si nimemwambia ajoin ajoin, bado still niko live kwa YouTube. Yeah. Si nimeona most of you mkirequest like I come show you venye tuli manage kuchukua hiyo trade ya jana usiku, si ndio? And that's all that I'm going to do for this live peke yake. No, not so many things. Yeah. Yeah, you can send your performance ya jana. How you guys performed. You can all send the performance. I think I sent you this yesterday night. I sent this, was it 18 minutes? 18 minutes, 18 minutes past 2 a.m. I just need to show you how we managed to get that entry and how we executed it. Sindio? Sinivyo tu, that's all you need guys I explained to you. Sindio? Yeah, and that's all I'm going to do. Only that. Only that. Catherine Mutuko, I love you too. I love you so much also. I love you back. Muko poa. Watu walienda maandamano. Hebu mniambie watu walienda maandamano. Margaret Shish Wanjiku. Hi. I hope you guys are okay. I'm struggling sana kuwaona kwa nini. I'm struggling so much kuona kwa huko. Muko poa? Join this live. Hii live haina mambo mingi. I'm here because I'm here with my students ambao tunasoma forex kidogo, so I just need to show them a trade that I sent them yesterday and how they were to execute it and how we executed it. Sindio? I hope everything is okay. si ndio? Only that. Michael, are you in? Confirm. If you are in the group, I just need to show you guys how we got that trade ile ya jana usiku. I told you kutoka kitambo, traders never sleep. When you are asleep, that's when the market is moving. When you are asleep, that's when the market is moving. All right? Are we ready? My people from YouTube. Yeah, naona cell sound. Yeah, nasema kindly guys tuingie with the video likes. Susan Kanini namuona. Yeah, namuona kama kawaida yuko ndani. Cynthia Naliaka. Hi. Margaret Moneki. Cheuto, I can see you. Benson Samuel. Diana Otieno, I can see you. Faith Mwongeli, kama kawaida yuko ndani, si ndio? I hope you guys have been okay. I hope you guys are safe. Kwa wale wenye walienda maandamano, I hope mko salama. Are you guys safe? Wenye walienda maandamano, I'm hoping you guys are safe. I'm hoping you guys are okay. Alright? This is just a quick live, haina maneno mingi. Hii nimekuja tu kuonyeshana some trading setups zenye tulichukua jana usiku na leo mchana, hizo tu peke yake. My students wame request get live nionyesha how we did it. Yeah, I told you this is a learning journey, and then from there we execute and we are out of the market. So ndio. Yo. Yeah, ukifika tu na like the video guys haina maneno mingi. Hakuna maneno mingi. Yeah, so ukifika by the way unaweza tuma tu screenshot bado kwa group bado. You can just send the screenshot of how you performed yesterday that trade. I hope kila mtu alichukua hiyo trade because it was a very good entry. It was a very good entry. I hope kila mtu alimanage ku catch something, right? Nathan, how much did you gain? Nathan, confirm to me how much you are able to achieve for that trade. Confirm how much you are able to achieve, Nathan. Oh, $570. That was a good one. A good trial. Others, nataka kuona bado screenshot zenu. I need to see your screenshots. Yeah, from your trading nini? From your trading Oh. Eish. I can see today you guys slept something good, Naona leo mmevuna vizuri. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, let us start. So there are two things that actually that ili manage to part this market structure here, all right? Remember, we are starting from the higher time frame. Let's start with the daily time frame. You remember me explaining this on Friday when you tulikuwa na wako group. Friday around from which time? Friday from around I was live. I know most people can remember kwa wenye wako kwa groups, ndio? So I explained to you and I told you the market has been bullish for the past almost 4 weeks. The market has been so bearish, not bullish. We are in the gold market. I hope everybody mwenye ako kwa trading view yake, si ndio? I hope kila mtu ako kwa charts, so that tupelekane pamoja, si ndio? Remember, we have been anticipating the market eroding back to where it has been, that is 3500, of which it has been almost impossible. All right, tukaenda vizuri, tukaangalia last week's high and last week low. All right, last week high and last week low. Do you remember? Last week high and last week low. You all remember? I hope most of you can confirm, na mnakumbuka vizuri last week low and last week high. So we now went to the daily time frame. All right, that was Friday's low and Friday's high. Remember, on Friday it was actually a bank holiday. It was a US dollar bank holiday. So actually the market haikumove sana, although I know when you tulikuwa na hapa group you guys collected something. Sindio? Remember I told you this is not a get rich quick scheme. Haiko hapa hivi. Here you need to first of all understand before you execute, and that's why I'm here niwaonyesha kila kitu. Si ni kweli? I don't know if it was Maxwell that I was explaining to kwake nikamwelezea. Max, do you remember me explaining to you about the market structure? You remember? And actually, we based almost everything with the previous daily high and the previous daily low. You remember? All right? Previous daily high and the previous daily low. Remember, the market was unable to break the structure at that 367 last week. You all remember that? It was unable to break that structure at that 366, actually to be specific, that 366. And I told you the market, if it has been not able to break that structure at that 366, chances are the market is first of all going to reverse, so that iende ichukue the market inefficiency that was lying at that 310. During the NFP news, muliona venye market behave. I told you guys to sell gold because I was expecting a very strong dollar. That's according to the fact that the market was unable to break the structure at that 366. You remember? And I immediately sent you this signal. Nikawambia sell gold. I think I told you around 1 hour before the NFP news, right? And you saw what happened. Gold sold all the way from that 349 all the way to that 311. Those were almost 500 pips. And I know most of you, mulichukua hiyo na I hope you made something out of it, right? All right? But remember, market haikuguza our target, which was that 310. Anything to do with that 310 to all the way to that 300. The market didn't trigger that. Although it was nearing that area, although there was a fair value gap there. Simuliona hivyo. Right? But it didn't trigger. And just because of that fact, I told you the market must come there to revisit before we do what? We go up. All right? And that's what exactly has happened today. That's how we got that entry yesterday night. All right? Two things zenye zili support that idea ya kusell the market yesterday night. First, I hope you will see. I hope you guys will see on my structure here. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. So there is this line that I drew on that minutes time frame. That minutes time frame. That minutes time frame. You can see on 30th June, that was on Monday, around 01:30, the market tapped to our line on our resistance. That was at 32.44, and it actually bounced back. All right. Again, it did it with a long wick. Long wick in the moment. Every time you see a very long wick to the downside, definitely know that's a market rejection. Definitely know that's a market rejection. Let me first of all put my phone to definitely know that's a market rejection. And the moment the market rejects with a long wick, you can see, like, for example, here on 3rd July, around 16:00 hours, you can see what happened. The market reached there and it rejected. But now, yesterday night, the market actually opened with a gap to the upside. The market opened with a gap to the upside. And I knew very well that so many people will actually buy gold, of which the bulls couldn't win unless the market was first of all to come and retest our zone. That is that from 33.10 all the way to 3300. All right? Do you remember me saying that? The market actually opened with a very big gap all the way to 33, I think 33.44. But from there, it came back to retest and actually closed that gap, and immediately it moved down, breaking our resistance, our 30 minutes resistance at 33.34. But we needed actually a confirmation. Remember, I told you, you analyze the market using higher time frame. All right? When you analyze the market using higher time frame, but for entry, you must go to the lower time frame. That's when we went to the 15 minutes candlestick. You all remember that? To the 15 minutes candlestick. All right? There was a breakout and a retest, of which that was a very good confirmation that actually the market is doing what? The market is going to the downside. All right? Anytime you see a breakout and a retest, please don't be tempted to go against your decision. Do you remember me saying that? Anytime you see a breakout and a retest, like what exactly happened here, you can see it. You all seeing it, sindio? Tuko pamoja sisi wote kwa group, watu wenye tuko kwa group, tuko pamoja. Haya, you can see there was a breakout at 33.34 all the way to 33.31, and then it came back to retest at 33.38. From there, the market it sell all the way to the downside without retesting. And I told you guys the market is not going to retest again until we are at our zone, that is 33.10 to 3300. Mpaka hapo hivyo. it actually went down, selling aggressively. Yeah, you all remember that? I sent this signal as at you saw it. I sent it to every person. Si kila mtu aliona. Higher. Now, from there, now the market today has given us another different structure. All right? We are now on the bulls. The market is actually skyrocketing to the upside. I need you guys to go to your 1 hour time frame. You will see what I want to mean. 1 hour time frame, guys, kindly. 1 hour time frame, a quick one, kindly. 1 hour time frame. You can see the market when you go to your candlestick and first of all change your candlestick from volume candles to line, because kwa line ndio utaona this market structure very clearly. All right, you'll see this market structure clearly. You can see clearly the market here. Let me first of all remove these indicators. Let me first of all remove this those drawings. I need you to see this one in a clear way. This is an inverse head shoulder formation. This is a shoulder, all right? This is a head, and this is a shoulder. A very good confirmation, and actually you can see a very good confirmation on our zone. Just look at it. This is a shoulder, all right? The first shoulder here, all right? It is here. This is the head, and actually today the market confirmed exactly what I told you guys. It is going to form another shoulder, and immediately that will be an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, which is a very good confirmation that the market right now is ready to start skyrocketing to the upside. All right? I told you the market is starting to skyrocket to the upside, of which that has actually happened today. I told you niliwaambia vizuri kwa trading, you don't trade by gambling. What do? You get to the market, analyze and plan, get a very good clear plan on how you are going to execute these markets. And it's very simple. And you have seen for the last 3 weeks, since you guys joined, how everything has been happening. We first of all plan, and then we go to execute. I told you yesterday, our TP1 was actually at that 310, right? We hit our TP1 within the first 1 hour. Remember, we have been waiting for this setup since last week. Since last week on Wednesday. NFP came. Now most of you wakaona kama tumefanya nini? Kama tumereach our plan. No. I told you the market was yet to reach to that 310, to the gap of that 310 all the way to that 300. All right. And actually leo ndio imehappen. Na nyinyi wote mmeona even tume-execute. All right. Now I know most of you are asking themselves, what next after this? Remember I told you markets are affected by so many things. Fundamentals, politics in the US, because we are trading gold against dollar. It's affected so much by the politics in the US, the economy in the US, and that was actually proven by the NFP last week on Thursday, before we could go to the US bank holiday on Friday. All right? Are we until there to get together? Now, what will be our target? Because I told you, take the trade today at that 306, and I hope most of you took the trade. I need to see how many took the trade. Wangapi tulichukua na the trade? Because for Mercy and the other guy mwenye niko na account yake, I know you guys can confirm you made some good profits, right? Yeah. Mercy, can you send them the screenshot for group? Watumie screenshot for group. Watumie screenshot for group how much you are able to make via that account. Kumbuka the account ya Mercy she deposited $1,000 last week, right? And last week only, we were able to grow that account from $1,000. Right now, it is lying at $1,700 within a span of just 1 week. That's almost 70% of the account. All right? But it's not miracle. It's not gambling. Ni kukuja kukaa chini na kuexecute. First of all, you get a good plan. All right? You get a good plan. You know, I'm getting to the market. This is what I need to do. If the market goes against you, stop loss ikusimamishe. If the market goes to your direction, you are definitely sure that actually the take profits are going to define you. And I've been saying this every time. All right? The spirit of gambling hapa hivi nilisema nimekataa. Si ni ukweli? Na tukaagree na kila mtu nikasema, first of all you get to the market, analyze. All right? Get to the market, analyze the market. After analyzing the market, execute. All right? That's the screenshot. Ndio screenshot yenye Masi ametuma hapo kwa group. Yeah. Leo peke yake you were able to grow that account from that 306 from that 306 you can see all the way to that 332. That was our take profit. And actually what happened? We hit the take profit, and immediately we hit the take profit, the market has now started to reverse. But that's also a trap. All right? Remember I told you something. Market huwa ipandi kama mti. Sawa. Market what it usually does, let me draw something here so that you can all understand. I told you the market moves a step, all right? It comes back to retest the zone, all right? So that it can do what? It can balance the market. It can remove the inefficiencies between the sellers and the buyers, because the market has to balance all those people, all right? The market has to balance all those people, sellers and the buyers. All right? The market never leaves inefficiencies in those markets. Na hiyo ndio nilimwambia inaitangwa fair value gap. All right? Where you find there was an inefficiency maybe between sellers and buyers, or even buyers and buyers themselves, or even sellers and sellers themselves. The market, no, jua kitu kimoja tu. Ukiona the market imeacha inefficiency, it must come back to that zone and retest. All right? So, like for here, the market imepanda, imerudi ikaretest, ikapanda tena now a bit higher, ikarudi kuretest the zone. All right? Ikapanda tena, irudi tena, iretest the zone again. All right? The zone again. All right? That's how the market moves. The market never moves on a straight line. And that's what actually, I know most of you, especially the beginners, they are afraid. Unaona market imepanda, imekupea profit, then inarudi, unaona kama utaanza kuingia kwa loss, but the market is coming back to do what? To retest. All right? Now immediately you are out of the market, immediately you close your trades, the market start going to your direction. Na unaanza hapo kusema, I wish I knew sikutoka kwa hii market, I wish I didn't get out of the market, I wish. All right? And I hope everybody is actually using his trading view correctly. I showed you how guys, you are going to set your trading view, how you are going to set your lot size, how you are going to set your take profits, how your break evens, how you are going to set your stop losses. Although in most of these trades, I know niko na account ya watu right now. Remember I told you here, we only have one agenda to achieve. We're here all of us to win. All right? The major enemy here is poverty. We're here to eradicate poverty. And the only way we are going to eradicate poverty through Forex is, first of all, you have good patience. All right? You have patience with the market. Don't rush. Don't come with the mentality you want to be a billionaire tomorrow. I'm telling you for a fact. you will lose everything, all right? But when you come compost, you know very well, I've deposited $1,000 into the market. I want to grow this $1,000. I don't want to gamble with it. Yes, you can gamble and make $10,000, but is it sustainable in long term? It is not. I need to give you a plan that is going to sustain you even for long term, all right? That is going to sustain you even for long term. I'm sorry, my YouTube guys. I'm sorry, my YouTube guys. I'm here with some students. I want to give you a plan that is going to sustain you for long term. All right? And that's why I told you, be patient with the market. That's the only way you're going to survive in these markets for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. But if you come here with the mentality of gambling, hey, hiyo utauma nje na utazama. Sawa sawa. Utauma nje na utazama. And I told you, in the market also, come with a good capital. If you want to manage your account, have $1,000 kwenda juu, $1,000 kwenda juu, $1,000 kwenda juu. Deposit it, give me your login to your MT5, and then from there you can start leaping something. Those accounts mumeona hapo mkitumua kwa group, everybody has seen how we are growing the account every day. Hata kama make $200, it is good. If you can make $200 for like almost daily in a week, that's $1,000, all right? Or even you can even decide, these markets are so comfortable. You can even decide per week you are only taking 2 trades. You make like $300 per this trade, and then another $300 in this trade. That's 600. That's comfortable $600 from an account of $1,000, and it will be good for you. All right? Yeah. No mentality ya kukuja hapa hivi. You lose your money. I'm here to guide you every step until you do what? You become successful. Any question? So remember right now, tuko kwa resistance zone. Let me check if there is market inefficiency. Let's see if the market is going maybe to retest. Let's see if the market is going to retest. Here when you are on YouTube, you guys can join us. Now it's very simple, 0708069130. Very simple, 0708069130. So there is a market inefficiency at 33.13. I can see a fair value gap there, 1 hour fair value gap. But now the biggest fair value gap is at 33.22. The market is forming some resistance, right? The market tapped this area yesterday. It tapped last week, and now it has tapped today. I don't know what will be the plan with the market tapping this zone. I hope you can see. I hope you can see. So for tomorrow's confirmation, we need the market to tap to this resistance, and immediately after tapping, we are going to wait for confirmation. After the market break this resistance, we are going to wait for a retest, for a retracement. All right? After retracement, you can now get to the market comfortable. That's why I'm still every time reminding you about what? Patience. Patience. Remember, bado nilimwambia about fake breakouts. Fake breakouts in the market, especially on gold market, they are very prone. Fake breakouts. The market inakuja inakupretend inakwambia I need to jump to go to the upside, but kumbe the market wants to what? To sweep some liquidity. And after sweeping some liquidity, boom, you are caught there, your stop loss taken, and you are done. All right? Yeah, so in the question, so I've told you there is a market inefficiency at that 312, and 33.22. All right. Remember the discount. There is the discount zone on our Fibonacci. On our Fibonacci. Let's go to the indicators. Let's go to the indicators so that we can see our premium zone and our golden zone and our discount zone, so that we can know which is the best place to take the trades, the tomorrow's trade from. The Fibonacci. Let it form. The Fibonacci's. Yeah, you can see it comfortably. Okay. Our 50%, our discount zone is at 33.15, 33.20 to 33.15. So the market might come retest around there, and then do what? The buyers take over the market. In case it fails to give a confirmation there, remember we are continuing to do what? To go down. But I will send everything to the group. So please make sure every time you remain uko online, sindio? Yeah. Kama unataka kucopy my trades, it's very easy. You just need to get to you give me your MT5 logins and I trade for you, and then we share some profits, half, sindio? And you make some good money, sindio? Yeah. Usikuje kurisk hapa hivi kama hauna skills. If you don't have skills, don't dare come to these markets. Skills unaweza soma polepole bado as you are making something, sindio? It's very simple. But if you want a trade for you, capital, mimi I usually advocate for that. Capital, $1,000 kwenda juu. $1,000 kwenda juu. I don't want to gamble na account kidogo, because account kidogo means you are going to risk more, of which the more you risk, remember, the more risky you get, the more prone you are to doing what? To blowing your account, sindio? But the rest risk you take. That means even if you get some small capital on a bigger account, it's always kitu tangible, sindio? Yeah. Hope you are done. Yeah. Nothing much today. Let me greet my YouTube fans here. How are you, my people? Muko aje? Nilikuwa class kidogo hapo. Yeah. Hope you guys are okay. Yeah. I hope you guys are okay. Anybody when you're interested to join Forex, or maybe you want to do investment in Forex, it's always simple, guys. Usikuje kujisumbua na hauna skills. Yeah, usikuje kujisumbua na hauna skills, ndio? It's always advisable you get to the market. Grace Mahwari. Mambo. Usikuje kujisumbua na hauna skills. No need of you kukuja kupoteza your capital. You can always come. You come, you create your trading account, and then after creating your trading account, you deposit something. After depositing, I trade for you on your behalf, and we share we sprint profits, sindio? It's very simple. Usienda kuweka pesa yako kwa bank. Na unajua vizuri hata ukiweka kwa bank haitakuzalishia pesa pesa inaleta kitu, sindio? Kwa Forex kuna pesa. Sisi hata nyinyi mnajua hivyo. Lakini usikuje na mentality anataka kudeposit $1,000 ati kesho ukue billionaire. That never exists. That is gambling, and we don't do gambling here. Here we do forex as any other business. Sindio? So number ni 0708069130. Sindio? Ukifika una like the video. Ukifika una like the video. 0708069130. Beth Wangoya anauliza $100 iko sawa ya kwanza. Yeah, you can start from low bado, lakini $1,000 iko chini sana. Hiyo it's better you uitumie kupata some skills, ndio. $100 that's too iko chini sana. Frida Kamesha anasema Frida, mambo my dear. Naona pia Irene. Hi my brother Stano. Mambo vipi? Ndio. Najua vile kuko. But get at least, if you are a beginner, get at least maybe $300 huko. Maybe you can jago kidogo ifikisha 500 maybe in a week. Maybe after that ifikisha 700 in the other week. Then after that ukifika $1,000, now you'll be comfortable to trade, si ndio? But usikuwa na rush. Usikuwa na account kidogo na bado you want to make billions. The more uko na account kidogo, the more you take your time to grow, si ndio? Si unajua hivyo? But the more uko na account nono, the more you will make profits very fast. Kama sasa ulikuja deposit around $10,000, you can imagine if you just target like 10% of that account every day, that's 100 G's. That's 100,000 every day, si ndio? Ukikuwa na account like $1,000, you target 10%, that will be 10K every day. That means in a week utakuwa umetengeneza pesa mzuri, if in case you are trading every day in a week, si ndio? Pesa mzuri, si ndio? But nimeona watu wengi mume reach out. I think pia sita manage ku handle accounts mingi, because so many of you like they are really pressuring me. I think I will only be open to around how many slots, how many accounts. Maximum nitaongeza tu hapa hivi sasa niko na around 7 accounts. But what I usually do, zile trade zote zenye na take pia kwa hizo account huwa na take exactly hizo. So hapa hivi I have around 7 and I think I can only manage around 10. So niko na only 3 accounts, 3 slots zile open for account management. Mtu mwenye ako na capital but hana skills. Mwenye uko na capital like $1,000 unakuja, then mimi trade for you, then account by the inakuanga ni yako. Actually so many people hawajuangi hivi. In forex you will need 3 main accounts in forex. First of all, you need a broker. Huyo ni yeye who connect kwa market. Sawa? Broker kuna wengi, kuna like HFM, kuna Xness, kuna XM, kuna vitu kama hizo. Kwa broker, that's why you deposit and withdraw. But hapo huwa utrade. Kutoka hapo broker na connect kwa market. Market unazi access through kitu inaitwa MT5. Na hiyo MT5 hiyo ndio nataka login yako. Kwa MT5, you cannot deposit, you cannot withdraw. You want to deposit or withdraw to MT5, ukitumia nini? Broker. Sawa? On application. So hata sasa unipe login zako za MT5. I cannot be able to withdraw, I cannot be able to deposit. Just withdraw ni wewe, kudeposit ni wewe. Mimi kazi yangu ni kikutradia, tukimake your profit, mimi nanirushia my share, unabaki na your share, si ndio? The same hivyo tu. Sawa. The third application you need is TradingView. TradingView, hapo ndipo una analyze the market. Unaangalia market vile iko. This is the TradingView. Hii ndio TradingView. hapa penye ulikuwa unaona nikianalyze the market hapa ndipo unaangalia the market itapanda juu ama itashuka na trading view you pay for it. Trading view haikuangi free of charge, si ndio? Haikuangi free of charge, you pay for it, but hiyo sasa unalipia huko kwa trading view, si ati ni mimi unalipa. But in case hautaki kujitradia, no need ya kuwa na trading kulipia trading view, because mi yangu nishalipia. Actually paid more than 140,000, more than 140,000 Kenya shillings to access this only. Yeah, to access this. But hiyo ni pesa nayo narudisha within some few days, si ndio? So those are two applications that you need. But hizo ukini approach, if maybe you want to do business together, you will learn them step by step. Na at the same time mimi na yanga mtu, maybe uko na hiyo capital lakini hauna skills what you can usually do whenever we are trading together with you, whenever I'm trading on your behalf, you will still be learning some skills. Anytime when you feel maybe uko free na unataka kujua markets ziko aje, unataka maybe that day tuende na wewe through the market, we execute the market together. It's very simple, si ndio? So reach out to me 0708 069130. Join others as you are making some good money. Join others as you are making some good money. Usipoteze opportunity just because maybe wewe unaangalianga charts unashinda, hizi ni nini? What are these? Ndio kuna mwingine anaangalianga charts anaona kama ni mazinga ombwe. Kuna mwingine anaangalia charts anaona kama ni mazinga ombwe. Hii si mazinga ombwe. Hii ni this is the forex trading is a real market. Real market. Hata sasa uende kwa bank utaka ku exchange maybe gold against dollar, this is the price for that commodity, sawa? If you want to exchange gold against dollar, kama sahi it is at 33, 31.57, 0.59, that's exactly what happens. So in forex all you need to do is predict itaenda juu ama itashuka, si ndio? Kama unajua itashuka unasema itashuka, kama unajua itaenda juu hivyo tu. Na unajua aje vitu mingi sana zenye unafaa kujua. Kuna vitu zinaitwa fundamentals. Fundamentals ni vitu kama news. Remember hii ni kitu una trade against US dollar. So any slight thing yenye ina affect economy ya US, jua pia ina affect nini? Ina affect pia market. I wish you can remember there was this time yenye kulikuwa na vita mingi katikati ya US na China. Do you know that weekend yenye Trump walisikizana na China, do you know the market aggressively went down na mpaka wale hazijairudi hapo, si ndio? Hizo ni vitu zenye unafaa kujikeep up ukijua, si ndio? Lakini si lazima ushinde ukijitesa hivi. If uko na capital still you can make some money, si ndio? Usiingie kwa market uanze kugamble hapo, uanze kupoteza pesa. It's not okay It's not okay when somebody can trade on your behalf and maybe make something. Na usiende kwa hawa watu wa kugamble. Mtu anakuonyesha atio na move account sijui kutoka ati sijui $4,000 sijui to $48,000. Those are scammers. Lead traders they move with the market pace, si ndio? Hakuna venye mtoto uzaliwa anaanza kutembea. Mtoto uzaliwa anakuruma kidogo, anaanza anakuruma, anaanza kukanyanga kamoja hivyo. That's how hata kwa market iko. Hata sasa ukifungua biashara, hakuna biashara unaweza fungua saa hii na kesho ukuwe billionaire. Hakuna. It takes time, si ndio? So 0708069130, si ndio? Hope you guys are okay. Mi niko sawa, ndio. Naona Naona Monica anauliza, hi Stano, is $1,000 equal to 100K? Or still, if one has 100K, still can trade? Yeah, 100K kuendelea juu, Kenyan shillings, 100K kuendelea juu, that's hiyo unaweza ni approach. Lakini anything below that, mi sitakai kugamble. No. I don't want to gamble, Na niko na only 3 slots. Hizo zikijaa, beyond that, I want to be able to take, because still staki watu wengi wenye nitashindwa kumanage, si ndio? Nataka watu kidogo, hata heli maybe na choose maybe in 6 months na choose tutaenda na hawa tunapelekana hao for 6 months, then kutoka hapo na choose wengine, si ndio? Hata nikikutolea account from $1,000 nikufikishia tuseme $10,000, si ndio? See, that's a good progress. Hiyo ni 100K unaipeleka to a million. Hiyo ni I think sasa ni 130K unaipeleka to a million, si ndio? So hizo slots tu ndizo nitakuwa nimebaki. Na nikishajaza hizo slot 3 ni hivyo. I'm not taking any other slot, I'm not taking another slot. So 0708069130. Text me WhatsApp. I show you how to create your account with a good broker. I show you how to create your MT5. We verify hizo zote. But by the pia kuna wengine wanakuja kama I think last week I had 5 scenarios. Mtu anakuja anakuambia, okay, I don't have that $1,000, but maybe I have maybe like 50K and I still want to trade. So hiyo nayo ni we have a man-to-man agreement. Maybe you come, you deposit with me, and then nikuambie ukideposit like 50,000 with me, maybe I add it to someone else's account, si ndio? Someone else's account. From there, naona pia kuna watu wanipigia sasa. Don't call me sasa hiyo Nicola. Na hiyo simu ndio natumia, si ndio? Ni text tu kwa WhatsApp, I will see everything. Anakuja ananiambia niko na 50K. Niko na 50K but sina nifunge hii. But sina account, si ndio? So kwa hiyo nakuja, maybe tuna agree per month kwa hii 50K yako, maybe utaget like let's say maybe like around 10 to around 15K hapo. 10 to around 15,000 profit, si ndio? Yeah, naichukua maybe naongeza kwa account nyingine ya mtu, inajaza inakuwa $1,000, and then we do what? You get something na pia still the other person will get something, si ndio? So don't be worried in any way, si ndio? It's very simple. 0708069130, si ndio? Yeah, we can all make money. Sisi sote tuko hapa. We do what? We make something, si ndio? Sisi wote tuko hapa, we make something. Naona Beatrice ananiambia salimia Tristan. Tamsalimia sana. I greet tamsalimia sana. I will greet him. It is, guys, I really enjoy, sindio? I really enjoy having you around. Thank you for joining this live. Hi Aisha, naona Aisha, naona pia Pascalina, namuona vizuri. Chepchilchil, anaitwa Janet the Chepchilchil. Naona pia Digal, pia I can see, namuona vizuri, si ndio? Boss lady, hi. Yeah, kama unataka kunitext, acha niandike namba hapa. Namba iko hapo hivyo 0708069130. Ni text WhatsApp. Juu sometimes utapata kwa call, sometimes utanipata, but kwa WhatsApp every time nitakuja nitapata that message and I will respond. Yo. Yeah, hi Esther Kenya, I really missed you. Wambox Julie, I hope you are good. Sindio. Tabi Diallo anasema greetings from Israel. Wow. Hi so much. Nimesalimika. What's up? What's up? Yeah. Ukiingia kwa hizi markets, that's when you learn that actually patience is a skill. Patience in everything. In everything you do in life is actually ni kitu kila mtu anafaa kuwa nayo. Unakaa hivi, unajua I need to achieve this. But for me to achieve that, I will need to have patience. Si ndio? Nisirashi vitu. Ukirashi vitu, unafanya nini? Utaumia, si ndio? But ukizipeleka tu polepole. Sara Wanja. Sara Wanja then anaitwa Karo. Sema hi Stano, happy to see you bro. And God bless you na akulinde sana. Amen. Si ndio? Pia akulinde sana. Davido show. Anasema hi Stano, is great you are alive. Si ndio? Yeah, I appreciate guys. Unfortunately guys, I didn't sleep yesterday night because nilikuwa kwa market. You know, on Sunday, that's when the market, on Friday, the market will close very early. On Friday, the market closed very early because kulikuwa na bank holiday, si ndio? Kulikuwa na bank holiday in the US on Friday. Actually, the market will close around 8 p.m. ya Kenya, si ndio? But nikiangalia kama hapa kesho kuna news kweli? Kuna major news. Major news actually ziko on Wednesday. So kwa news tunazioneanga kitu inaitwa forexfactory.com. Kwa ndiko unaona what is affecting the dollar, what is not affecting the dollar, vitu kama hizo, si ndio? Si ndio? The problem with us Kenyans ni ati we usually love kuonyesha only the good side. Si ndio? Unakuja na kuonyesha I make billions. My friend, kama ningekuwa na make billions, mtu ana make billions kweli, hata unafaa uingie soko mara mbili kweli, si una make hiyo na unaenda, si ndio? Una make hiyo 1 billion na unaenda zako, but at least you can make something good. You can make something good. Actually, you can make more than you make anywhere else here in Forex. Halafu, it is open to everyone. As long as haupati hiyo pesa through fraud, no broker atakusimamisha kutrade Forex. As long as make hiyo pesa, hautoi hiyo pesa kutoka kwa drugs, hakuna broker mwenye atakuja kukuzuia, si ndio? Because also some people use Forex as a chance ya kufanya hizo vitu. Wewe unajua vizuri biashara yao kubwa ni kuuza madawa, but unajificha kwa Forex, unauza madawa, then unakuja una deposit hiyo pesa kwa Forex, inakaa kidogo, then una transfer. So many people wanatumia Forex in a very bad way, but it's actually good. It's only here you can wake up a millionaire anytime. But most people don't know that you can wake up a millionaire within a night, si ndio? Within a night na life yako change within a night. Thank you guys for joining this live. I appreciate. I think I need to exit, si ndio? Have a nice time. Have some good evening. Nawapenda sana. Nilimwambia every time napata time takuwa nakuja tunaongea, si ndio? At least pia unasoma kakitu. Better late than never. Huyo ni Pamela. That's true. Usiweke pesa yako kwa bank. Pesa yako iko kwa bank, hakuna kenye itakusaidia. Make pesa unaiekelea inafanya kazi, si ndio? You make something from it, si ndio? At least hata tuseme if maybe you deposit like 100,000, ukideposit hiyo 100,000 Kenyan shillings, hata kama itakuwa inakuletea 10%, 10% every week, that means pesa yako utakuwa umefanya nini? Unaweza accumulate very fast, si ndio? But still namwambia vizuri, this is only for education purposes only, this live Sijaingia hapa hivi nikakwambia kuingia kwa hii market kama una skills, you will lose your money. You will lose your money. This is not betting. Hii si ile ya game ya Arsenal, si ndio? Hii si ile game ya Arsenal yenye una predict ati Arsenal watapigwa, watapigana. Lazima ukuwe na skills, si ndio? Usiingie hapa hivi kuanza gambling. Kuliko uanze gambling, kuja to trade as you gain skills, at the same time una protect your capital, si ndio? Hiyo ndio important sana. Una protect pesa yako ndio ikuzalishie pesa, si ndio? Can we call it tonight, guys? I love you so much. Kumbuka pia ukitaka sola, nilimwambia namba ya Mary iko hapo hivyo, in all our videos utaiona, si ndio? I love you so much. Have a good night.